It's on there somewhere. Hey, this is Richie Dotson again from Chateau Debris, a.k.a. my office, my shop. Say hello, Will.
Hi.
He meant to say hello, Will, but it's okay. We've got here a recent Davis banjo. Good friend of mine down near Charlotte, North Carolina. Builds a fantastic product, and this one is radiused. This banjo is actually for sale. You can find that at banjomart.com. You can also find us on the web at acousticbox.com, and head over there and take a look. And if you'd like to see more of these videos, click the subscribe button, leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, or whatever. Even if you're not shopping and you like to see what's rolling through the shop, please do that. We'd love to see you, and we love that you're visiting. And if you have any questions, holler at us. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.